Cloud Big Data, a cloud hybrid group company. Offshore outsourcing at Cloud Big Data Technologies. Ever dial a 1-800 number and have your call routed directly to India in as little time as it takes to say hello? Many organizations outsource their IT functions and projects overseas with high hopes for significant cost savings. As time passed, however, a good percentage of these organizations received a wake-up call: offshore does not always translate to less expensive. Progressive companies will evaluate the risks and rewards of an outsourcing model to determine the best means of getting their IT work done. IT leaders have attracted to the low bill rates an offshore model offer. A skill set that costs $100 per hour in the US may be as low as $15, $20 per hour in an offshore location such as India. However, the price of labor is just one component of the total costs of ownership. An offshore engagement is prone to various risks related to travel, communication, and contract. In this offshore, the company outsources its operations to another country, or region, far away. Like Cloud Big Data Technologies outsources its operations to the US. As the services are outsourced to the faraway location, the company has to overcome cultural, legal and language barriers. Monitoring and managing work requires expensive trips. On the good side, offshore locations have vast talent pool which can be hired at less cost. Some offshoring destinations which have been in this industry for a considerable period of time have developed process and expertise to execute huge outsourcing projects and offer a client in-house system as part of the deal. Companies are now outsourcing more functions than just IT staffing. Even the government is starting to outsource white-collar jobs. Most major companies are turning to outsourcing to stay competitive in the global economy. Companies rely on their core competencies while trying to provide better customer service and lowering costs. Companies now outsourcing for long-term, strategic reasons yield better results than doing so for short-term, tactical reasons. In the next 15 years, more than 3 million U.S. white-collar jobs, representing $136 billion in wages, will depart to places like India, with the IT staffing and recruiting industry leading the migration. These are all fulfilled by Cloud Big Data Technologies, and their team follows the offshore development process for IT staffing and recruiting.